Hey guys, what's going on? It's AJ from Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to perform a reset on your Bose Sport earbuds. We're just going to crack this guy open. We're going to actually pull them both out of the case, and you're going to hold the right one to your ear so you can hear what it's saying. You're going to hold this Bluetooth button for a while. It'll tell you the battery percentage, and then it'll say that it's ready to connect. You'll keep holding it, and then it will say Bluetooth device list is cleared, and that is how you reset them. It's as simple as that. It's super easy. You just gotta listen to what she's saying, and when it says the Bluetooth pairing list is cleared, then you've reset your Bose Sport earbuds. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. This has been AJ with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Peace out.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.